I think probably in terms of other changes or big things that have happened here, I don't know if you wanted to talk about any, but I mean,
Well, I mean, I think in terms of activism, I mean, I think I agree with the activism angle. I can remember even back when I was a student in the 90s, we had the immigration policy change, and we had the three strikes law, Prop 187. These things were filtering. There were a lot of protests. And the law school, what's nice has been the law schools has come on and has been very active with student we have clinics, like free pro bono services that we provide. We have an immigration clinic. We have a community economic development clinic. We have a domestic violence clinic. We have a variety of clinics. And so I've seen the activism now coming from the law school, and that I think the law school has become an engine for facilitating some of the activism among students and student groups and are interacting with the law school a lot. And so I think that's been impressive, and that builds on what you're saying. The other thing I would add is I think the one thing I've seen that's changed is I think UCI back in your time and then probably my time as a student, I think it was thought of as a small UC that's a very well respected UC, but it seems like the university's become more ambitious in trying to showcase UCI as a, I think the university is now reaching for the stars in a way that I don't think it was in the 90s and the 80s, and that's a difference. And showcasing the Nobel laureates and showcasing the people who are doing really innovative work in science and biology, showcasing, all aspects. Just seems like with Chancellor Drake and now Chancellor Gilman, the ambition has increased, and so and it's good. I think it's good to have ambition and aspire, and I think there's that push to really shine the star on the anteater more and more than in a way that I don't think existed in the 80s and the 90s. And I would say that would be a distinction that I see.